It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you would do.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we are doing some Hello Kitty birthday nails, okay? So I started by cutting her nails down, and I'm going in with a sanding band to rough up the nail plate to, remove that shine and all that good stuff. And I'm going to go in with a cuticle bit to really make sure that I get anything that could cause lifting. For these nails, we went with one of those gel polishes that I showed you guys. After I went in with the cuticle bit, I'm going in with a nail file to further remove the shine and give that product something to grab a hold to. I'm also using the file to smooth out the edge of the nail. I am going to be applying tips, so I wanted to make sure that the nails were, nice, clipped, and groomed. You can do this step alone. If you don't have a drill, you can definitely just use a hand file to push the cuticles back and remove the dead skin and everything else. Now it is time to pop the tips on. Of course, I sized her up first, then I glued them on. I tried to use the glue from the Dollar Tree that I grabbed. Then I went to some of the glue that we carry on our Hoot website. So any nail glue that you have should be fine for this. I do need to get some nail glue dry spray because where my nail area is kind of cold, and with these products being in a cold area, it takes a while for everything to kind of set. So I was finally able to get those tips on there, and then it was time to cut them and apply the acrylic. Since she wanted a gel polish, I am going to be using some of the gel polish that I showed you guys in the swatch video from the company Slips My Mind at the moment. But I showed it to you guys in a swatch video. She picked one of those colors. So I just applied tips, and I'm going to put some clear Mia Secret acrylic on top. Here I am just blending that tip in with her natural nail, and I am filing the surface of the tip. Now I'm going to shape up the nails. After I have one hand shaped up, I like to use that as a reference to shape up the other hand. The gel polish is from Beetles, that's the company. It's from the Just Peachy collection. I just got some other Beetles collections in, as well as 2 other collections from a different brand. So make sure you guys stay tuned for those swatch videos. So after I remove all of the dust, I'm going in with my nail dehydrator, my primer, and my Band-Aid, I believe. It's another product that I use for my acrylic nails that I have showed you guys before. So I'm using my Mia Secret acrylic and I'm just basically laying it over the nails. And you can do this in however many beads it takes for you to get your desired look. The gloves that I have on are chemical resistant gloves, in case you are wondering. I have plenty of videos on my channel of me applying acrylic step by step, telling you guys, you know, where I try to lay the beads and all of that. So definitely check those videos out. If you want like a more updated version, put that in the comments and I'll make sure that I do a step by step, beginner friendly how to apply acrylic video. So I do like to look at the nail from the side and down the nail from the bottom, just to make sure that the thickness is as desired. I want the nails to be strong, even though they are a little on the shorter side. I do want them to have some strength. So I look to make sure that that apex is there. The brush that I'm using came from Amazon, and I do have some other ones that are on the way from AliExpress, so I will definitely show you guys those. It's been a minute since I have done a full acrylic set, so this was really exciting. I will definitely be doing more acrylic, trying to get a nice mix of the dip and the acrylic. When I started using dip, I just fell in love with it. But over time, I started to get what people call the dip flu. So now I wear goggles and a mask and all of that when I do my nails now. And you may say, goggles? Well, one day I was doing my nails and I was like, should I put goggles on? And I was like, nah. I put the drill on my nail and a piece of acrylic flew into my eye. So now I wear goggles. Thank God I got it out of my eye. It was a crazy experience, but from now on I wear goggles. So I went around that cuticle area with the sanding band just to kind of make sure that that area was nice and flush to the nail bed. Now I'm going in with my hand file. You can definitely do all of your finish filing with the drill or with the hand file. It's all preference. So when filing the nail, you want to make sure that you're not filing the nails flat. You want to make sure that you are filing them going around the nail so that you can keep that apex in there. We don't want to create an apex just to file it away. So I left a lot of the filing in this video because usually I just take all the filing out, but I know some of you guys want to see how I do it, so I just left it in and sped it up. Now it is time to buff the nails. And for the gel polish, I've sped that part up, but I am going to go in with the Beetles base coat. I'm going to cure that. Then I'm going in with 2 coats of the color she picked. I believe it was 887 or 877. But I'm going to do 2 coats of that, of course, curing after each coat. Then we're gonna do some stamping. Y'all know how I feel about stamping. I asked her what she liked and she was like, you don't have anything Hello Kitty, do you? And I was like, why, of course I do. Y'all know I love stamping. If you missed my stamping plate video, definitely check it out. I went through all of my stamping books and showed you guys all of my stamping plates. So when doing this, you just want to make sure that you try to keep the product off of their skin, and it's okay to use like a little brush to help clean up afterwards. But you do not want to cure it on their skin or your skin. Because it is gel, of course, you know, it's self-level, so you can definitely hold your hand upside down for a second or two to kind of let everything level out. Now I am applying some liquid latex to her nails so that when I stamp it, it won't get all over her skin. And I'm using this black stamping polish. The Hello Kitty is in the middle, and right up under the Hello Kitty is the number for the plate. So I use a lint roller to just remove the unwanted parts, and then I just stamp the Hello Kitty on there. For the top coat, I went in with the Maniology Smudge Proof Top Coat, and I let that dry, and now I'm going in with some cuticle oil. So when I do someone else's nails, I use like a big jar of cuticle oil in a dropper, and I get some in the dropper and then put that on their cuticles, and then I throw the dropper away. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this set. I definitely did. Make sure that you guys always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video. Hello, welcome to It's Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.